Hello. Welcome to How to Boot Dell Laptop from USB Drive. There are two methods and this is method 1. You pay attention to the F12 key. I have prepared a bootable USB drive. After connecting the USB drive to the laptop, press the power button. Next, you press the F12 key continuously until a screen with a list of boot options appears. Here you just use the navigation keys to move to your USB drive. Now let's go to the second method. You make sure you have connected the bootable USB drive to the laptop. While the laptop is booting, press the F2 key continuously. You will access the motherboard management page. Here you can not only change the boot order but also have many other advanced settings. You go to the boot order settings. By default, there is no option to boot from USB drive, so you have to add it. I add a new item. To add a new item, browse to the boot file on the USB drive. Follow the steps above to find the boot file. After finding the boot file, you name this new item. Next, you set up the laptop to boot from the USB drive. Method 2 is more difficult than method 1 but allows you to customize more. Here are the ways to boot a Dell laptop from a USB drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.